Prestige Enterprise allows you to create a printed or digital poster for each of your items with its smart template management. Simply enter the item data, the product name, a product description, if necessary a promotion text and the price. Upload a product image and select the appropriate template from your customized template set. This way you get a poster in your company's corporate design. In landscape format or portrait. If you connect Prestige Enterprise to your merchandise management system or a marketing database, your template is automatically filled with all article information by entering the article number. Take advantage of the many different design options, maximize flexibility and the greatest possible automation for a uniform appearance. Guaranteed. Simple, better, advertise. Prestige.